back to my channel, and I hope you all are doing well. My name is Sangeeta. Thank you so much guys for joining in. And today I'm going to review few new products that I bought recently from Instagram store and some of from the website. I'm going to share my honest reviews with you guys so that you will find this helpful and you can also save some money for yourself. So if you really wanted to know how I created this look with all those products and how it worked for me, then please keep on watching. guys, this is the finished look, and I hope that you have liked this look, because I specially created this look just because of the brushes that I've received and the glitters, and I could not stop myself. I was eagerly waiting for that. And such बताऊं, this is worth spending your money. You are not going to regret. If you're someone जो professional नहीं है, just a budding artist, they can start with buying couple of essential brushes. Once you spend your money either in 1 or 2 brushes, or maybe in a essential brush kit, you will be able to understand why I'm saying this, because this is something I personally love. I'm not saying that other brands are not good. It's just that like I have Pro Artist brush and I have pack brushes. They are good, but the price that I'm talking about, that I'm more concerned about, is like it's very affordable. Quality is really good, and I just wanted to show you like how precise these blending brushes are, and you are getting 3 different options. Let me just show you here. I have a complete brush kit here, and I'm glad that I have bought all of it. See, so this is for small eyeshadow blending brush. This is a medium eyeshadow blending brush. I have another one. This is a bigger eyeshadow fluffy brush. I'm just talking about this, like this is for small eyes, this is for medium size eye, and this is for bigger eyes. Simple as that. But I like how tapered and precise these bristles are. The color that it picks up in just one go, it's sufficient. You don't have to dig into the palette once again and just round your brush again, and then don't have to swirl it. Also, if you're going to deposit the color, it's going to give you a very good pigmentation. So I really like this brushes. The quality is amazing, guys. Don't miss out on these brushes. At least give it a try. I can assure you that you are not going to regret. I'm in love with these brushes, and I'm going to I'm going to replace my brushes, because I love these brushes. So if you talk about the glitters, these are highly pigmented, and I would like to show you one of, like, maybe the one that I have already shown you in the video. Apart from that, I would like to show you the champagne color that I have. It's a gorgeous, beautiful shade. These are very super fine quality, and you're going to get this, I think it's $2.99, but if you're going to buy it maybe in a bundle, you're probably going to get some discount. I'm not so sure. You have to check it on the website. Guys, I'm going to leave all the information about the Instagram store and the website. You can definitely go and check this out. And anything else, I don't think so. Okay, so I have also used the Plumage sponges. These are super soft sponges. First thing, you need lesser amount. It will not absorb much amount. Also, it's going to deposit the foundation very well. It's blend out very well. On the right side, I've used this. On the left side, I've used the brushes. However, I could not truly say that which one is better. I love both of them, just because I have little bit texture here. You may be able to see some reflection, but both are amazing. Brushes, thumbs up. Sponges, thumbs up. Glitters, double thumbs up. I am in love with all the products. So guys, these are the must buy products from my side. Highly recommend, especially the budding artists who are afraid of spending much money into the luxurious brands. I can promise you guys, these products going to work really well for you. Very affordable, and you also are going to get some discount. So if you have any question further regarding any of the products, please do let me know in the comment section below. Also, I'm going to give you some links for the products from where you can actually buy from the Instagram, or maybe you can go to the website. So yeah, I hope that you have liked this look. If you would like to recreate it, you can, and you just let me know. You can tag me on the Instagram also. So I'm going to put that link for my account, and yeah, that's it. So I will see you very soon, guys. I hope you have found it helpful. If you want me to review more products, do let me know in the comment section below, and I will try to review honestly. These are my honest reviews. These are not at all sponsored products. These are like my own products. I have bought it from my own money. So yeah, that's it. So I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. So you guys, please stay home, stay safe, and just love yourself. Bye.